Eh, sabi mo naman, finding the right man.
Correct.
Di ba? Yung Paranaque. Si Daphne, ganun din. Finding the right man din siya.
Ulitin lang po natin na buti na lang hindi umabot sa akin yung mano na ginagawa ng Daphne. Kinabahan ako ng 2 seconds.
Yeah. Si Juanito Gregorio, pwede ba magpano? Pwede ba magpano sa'yo?
Kabatch naman ng kapatid ko yun. Hindi pa.
Casin, the layup. Kabatch mo ng kapatid mo yun? Sinong?
Si Ael yata.
Ael, oh. Oo nga.
Yeah. Alam mo, nagko-cover pa yan ng games ng anak ko. Yun ang major reveal. Yun ang nakakahiya.
Diyan ka kakabahan. Lade throws it down.
Kanina pa, hinihintay ni Sedelf.
Type of ball game. Pagsanhan, finish, and the foul. Monte. Against Pagsanhan. Monte, quick release.
27 points in their last ball game. Itong si Monte. Offensive rebound.
Materiano. Push shot is good. And Monte with the steal. Marlon Monte. Little casual there. Prince Casin.
Up and down again para dito sa ating laro. Takbuhan. Makes it a little bit more exciting with that bank shot. And dahil dun sa platoon substitution nila, nakita mo rin yung different personalities nung lineup eh. Diba?
Yes.
Meron ka ngayon, slow naman sila, half-court set. Makikita mo, kanina, takbuhan with Laddie on the floor. So, gives you a different face and feel of this Caloocan team. And that's how versatile they can be with their lineup.
They can play in different tempo. No? Parang paiba. Parang silang pwede magpaiba-iba ng tempo as Kian Baclaan. 5.5 minutes remaining in the second period. Bao sa ilalim, Domar Guateliano.
Backward cut.
Valencia rejects the ball screen, couple of ball fakes, and the layup is good.
That's a problem, you know.
Baclaan! Crowd has the rebound. Valencia.
Nobody picking him up.
Yeah, Bonsubre, extra pass. Matias for 2. Baclaan.
Good seal. Good
Down
play.
low they go. Ronnie Matias. Koga. Cruz, jumper. Gets it to drop.
Shot. Very patient play para sa Paranaque. 2-man game. On ball. Going back to
Yun din ang isa sa mga strength itong Caloocan na to. In terms of one-on-one defense. Balik kay Marlon Monte. Corner 3. Blocked by Escobar. Here's Baclaan. Koga. Inside.
And running the floor.
Escobar sinks the 3. Cruz can't hit, and that's it. First half in the books.